I'm going to show you how to divide 4 digits by 1 digit, grouping. Okay, the calculation I'm going to be focusing on is 8,532 divided by 2. Okay, now as before, children can use place value counters or plain counters on a place value grid to support their understanding of this, and they can also, like me, draw their own counters and group them through a more pictorial method. But at this stage of dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, children should really be encouraged to move away from the concrete and pictorial when dividing numbers with multiple exchanges, which we're going to have here. But I will show you the place value method with the place value counters anyway, so you can see what I mean. Okay, so this time we have got thousands. Okay, so we've got thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Right, so I've got 8,000. That's 4,000. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I've got 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 tens, and 2 ones. Okay. Right, so we are dividing equally into 2. So I need to see how many groups of 2 I can make. So if I look at my thousands, we start with the largest column when dividing, okay? So that's 2 in a group. There's 2 in that group. There's 2 in that group. And there's 2 in that group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 groups here. Okay, well that was fine, that was okay. So now again I need to put these into groups of 2. So 2 in a group. So there's 1, there's 2, okay, that can't go in a group, so that means we're going to have to exchange that, okay. But at the minute I've got 2 groups here, and we're going to exchange that one. So it's 100, how many tens make 100? So that's 10 tens, so I need to put an additional 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right, so now I'm going to put, I know that that's done, okay, I'm going to put my tens into my group, so I need 2 in a group again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got 6 groups, and then I've got this 10. Which can't stay there on its own, so I've got to exchange. So I've got to move this 10 into the ones. How many ones make 10? 10 ones make 10, so I need to put 10 in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I need to group these. So I've got 2 in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's nothing left over there, okay? So I had, when I looked at my groups, I had 4 groups in the thousands, 2 in the hundreds, 6 in the tens, and 6 in the ones. So my answer is 4,266. So you can see that moving these counters can be a little bit fiddly, and that's why we want to encourage the children to move into the more formal written method, okay? 8,532, and we are dividing by 2. Okay, so we start with a larger number. So how many 2's in 8? So every time you just go up your 2 times table. If it helps, your child could write the 2 times table down the side of their page or have it somewhere near them if it helps them. Okay, so how many 2's in 8 is 4. How many 2's in 5? If I think about my 5, there's a 2, there's a 2, and I've got 1 left over. So I've got 2, and that one that left over is going to get exchanged. So it goes over there. So now how many 2's in 13? Okay, so go up your 2 times table. I know 6 2's are 12, and there's 1 left over. So whatever's remaining, we're exchanging into the lower column. And then how many 2's in 12? That's also 6. Okay, so as I said, we always start when dividing with the largest column.